Guys, it's another day. I'm gonna show you what I've been doing so far. So I managed to take this left side fairing off the bike. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty good like this. I guess like a naked style bike. But anyways, today I'm gonna try to bleed that rear brake some more. You know, I moved the battery, everything over. I'm gonna just start hitting the fairings, and my goal is to remove this tank today. If I have this move, I'll be way closer to my goal. So I didn't go to work today, so pretty good. I'm gonna have a lot of time, so let's get to it. Okay, so it's another day on the bike, and let me show you everything I got. So I already have every wire off the frame, so it's basically ready for the engine just to be dropped. So all the wirings out of the way, so you can see all this is all out. So what I have to do now is just start unmounting these mounting brackets right here. Right, that one, and there's one on the other side, and I believe there's one right here. And then the engine should come right out. So let's see what today brings. Can't do it without one of these. Definitely need it. Real deal now. I got all the engine mounts off, which is just two of them. Then down there, there, and there, and then the ones up here. And then on the other side, I cleaned the engine, this area pretty good because it was all gunky, so you can see. So it's being held up by the jack right now, so I'm gonna lower it and see if it'll go down and see if I can pull the frame up. So engine is out. It was just a pain a little bit, but we're around. How am I gonna get this here? I don't know. I guess I'll figure it out. So let me get to it. Okay guys, here on another day, I'm going to attempt to put the engine mounts on it, see if I could get all that situated. So, can't do this without one of these. My coworker gave me one of these, so it's my first trying it. And it's an energy drink / fat burner, and instead of drinking coffee, I'm gonna see how these taste. They're not bad. They're not bad. I'm not sponsored by them, by the way. I'm just trying it, so thought I'd share if anybody wanted to try Celsius. Tastes like sparkling water. So hopefully this get me through the day. Let's go. Okay guys, so I've been having such a hard time. So you can see I got those in, all the engine mounts are in, but look, I couldn't get all this in without a little bit of damage. It was just rough. If you got two people, it's better to do two people. But I couldn't get it in line, so what I used one of these clamps and I put it around here, and I started tightening because they were off by like ½ an inch. So I put this here, tighten it until it got closer here, and then when I went on the other side and did the same thing, got another one of these clamps, put it on the other side and try to get it as close as I could to the actual place. And once I got close enough, I got a screwdriver and tried to align it, and then I started moving it to where it aligned, and I put one bolt here, did the other same on the other side until I managed to get it in. But I did break, I don't know where I put it, but I did break a bolt, which I'm gonna use, oh, right here. I guess I over tightened it, I don't know. And I'm gonna use it for the other, from the other frame. But yeah, when you're doing this, make sure this at any point comes out. That's just what it says on the manual. It's something for the gearbox. It says, or clutch. It says to not get this out of the spot. So you can see it could come loose. So just so you know, I did clean this whole area. That's why it looks kind of clean. But there's the bolt I broke. But I said I got that bottom engine mount, top engine mount. The one from the top is the one that has that spacer. So let me continue and see what I can do with this. Okay guys, it's another day. This bike's been kicking my butt, but I don't know where I left off. But I do have the front headlights on. I'm starting to put these on now. Obviously, I still have to torque the engine mounts, but I'll leave that now. I just want to get these handles on and make sure that all the cables here are good. So that's what I'm doing right now. And if there's any issues, I'll be in the video, I guess, telling you guys about it. So let's go. Okay, so wiring, it's mostly complete. I got the computer here, I got this here, the positive cable's here. Where's the negative? The negative is like right here. Alright, I put these lights on because I want to test the lights, obviously, before all of this. I'm trying to think if anything will happen if I connect the battery without the fuel tank or anything. I have no idea, because as you can see, the fuel lines are here, but I'm not trying to turn it on. I'm just trying to make sure the wiring is working properly. So let's see what happens. Let's see. All right guys, wish me luck. Battery's on. I really hope nothing catches on fire. Okay, left turn signal's on, but the right turn signal came on. Let me make sure I hit the left. What if I hit the right? Okay. Let's go to the left again. So these are backwards. So let me change these into the other one and see if it works. Okay, so I figured out the wiring, but I'm gonna leave this for next time. I got, like I said, I already put the computer, this where it goes, all this wiring are set up here. I just need to figure out this back wiring situation, and then after I figure out, I guess I have to bleed again the rear brake, because as you can see, very hard. So I'll figure that out eventually. I also have to add fluid to the front reservoir, because you can see, look, and I see a bubble, so I guess it needed brake fluid. But for now, we're gonna leave it right here. I guess we'll go next time I work on it.